Welcome to the Korleonegiovonni experience, where rhythm is life and life is rhythm, and it was our decision to communicate with the non-living. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that like button right now and subscribe to the channel. Start resharing all of the videos. Let's grow the channel. All those that participate in resharing and helping grow the channel, all you got to do is make it happen. And let me see you making it happen. And I'll definitely get with you and get you some gifts for what you're doing to help me grow, to help us grow. And hold me to it. I don't play no games. Holla at me. Show me that you're really down to reshare videos and help build the platform. Get at me about it. And let me see you doing it. And we'll switch numbers and we'll talk. And I'll hook you up for what you're doing. Each and every one that take me serious and help me out with this, because I got to grow this. This is the message of all messages. Manifestation. Can never get into it enough, because that's what everything is about. Alchemy, the study of alchemy, aka manifestation, taking something, whatever it might be, whatever energy it might be, and flipping it over into what you want it to be. Using it as a bridge to cross over into the reality that you want. Use this reality, use the present reality that you're in to cross over into a reality that you want. Your mind is dangerous. Just like a gun, it can protect you, or you can drop it, fuck around and shoot yourself. The same thing with your mind and the same thing with your emotions. They're all electromagnetic energy. Yes. The whole circumference of spirit is all around us. We are being encapsulated in the spirit realm. The spirit realm is not nowhere you go. The spirit realm is here. Our spirit is not inside of our body. Our body is inside of our spirit. The world of resonance. Live inside of the world of resonance, meaning make your world resonate with who and what you want to be, with what you want to manifest, and remove that fear, remove that doubt, and behind the cover, you know, that sheet of your motherfucking fears and doubts and laziness lies the real version of you. You gotta get off your ass to get on your feet. You gotta get off your ass to get on your feet, but then you need balance. So at the same time, you gotta sit your ass down and let your mind move around. Learn to feel your feelings the way you want to feel them. And if they are not giving you exactly what you need, fuck those feelings. Learn to get rid of people, purge people, and put them in their proper perspective. Some people are only meant to kick you with when you're ready to be done, when you're ready to just be a regular human, when you're ready to just be regular and just have a little fun for balance. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with taking time out to enjoy the human experience. Don't get so caught up in your spiritual shit that you don't enjoy this shit here from a human perspective, because that's what we're here for. Stop playing and start enjoying. Start controlling. Start manifesting. Start being deeper into the art of alchemy. Magic. You are a magical motherfucker. You know that, right? You don't gotta keep sitting by yourself, doubting yourself, and listening to other people. You know that, right? You really can have the life that you want, but it's gonna take becoming comfortable with being uncomfortable. You know that, right? Every thought and every feeling that you have leaves your body and starts to resonate in the universe. And the universe just gives you more of that. You know that, right? Well, since you know it, start thinking about the things that you want, and don't think about the things that you don't want. Stop thinking about those bad relationships, because you're just going to attract that same spirit in a different body. That's why you keep having bad relationships. That's why you keep getting used. That's why you keep getting your heart hurt. That's why you keep engaging in relationships with people romantically, mentally, physically, spiritually, whatever the fuck. This is why your relationships are lackluster and not really full of much life, much zip, much zeal. No vernacular, no swag, no flavor, no razzmatazz with your goofy ass. Why don't you endeavor to become the greater part of yourself and stop the bullshit? The ancestors are looking at you. You know that, right? The eyes you look at are looking back at you. You know that, right? Every move you make, every breath you take, the ancestors are watching you. How could they not? You are them. You know that, right? No, you don't. So quit saying you do. Now you do. And if you knew, you didn't really know. Now you do. Welcome to the realest spiritual shit you're gonna ever be involved with. I am cutting the head off of these corny motherfuckers serving the same bullshit out the same book. The same motherfuckers talk about the same shit and not making it applicable for people to really use. People are hurting out here. People are going through it out here, and they need something from a person that then went through it to get to it. I'd have been to hell so many goddamn times. I got timeshares over there. You know, I got a mansion in hell. You know what I'm talking about? I done made friends with my enemies. You know what I'm talking about? I kick it with the devil in there. You know, I'm always back and forth. I am totally comfortable with being uncomfortable. I don't really give a fuck, because I realize this is the part of life we all must master. Know thyself before anything else. I said it yesterday. Go pull up that video if you really following me. This is a life lesson, a lesson in life. Something that can remove the pain and the strife. Something that can put that fire in your life, that spark that gives you the light after dark. That feeling that gives you that spiritual healing. Learn to sit in your own energy and pace yourself. Stop giving the world all of your attention. Stop giving the world more than what they deserve. You give everything and everybody small increments of you, and they have to earn those increments. And then all of the other energy that you have must go towards writing down your goals, day-to-day goals and overall goals, because it leaves an imprint on the subconscious. And your subconscious mind is 90% of your mind. That's what really counts. It's only 10% on your conscious mind. The universe don't care what come out your mouth. Everybody be saying, I want to be this, I want to be that, I want to do that. But as soon as it's time to sacrifice something about theyself, or get rid of some motherfuckers out of their life that they've gotten used to sitting around in the same pool of shit with, they fall victim and, no, I'm just gonna stay. Get your goofy ass out of here with that bullshit. If you ain't ready to elevate to the highest level, don't fuck with me. I don't even want you looking at me. I don't even want you having the privilege of witnessing the shining one, witnessing Black Satan Lucifer in the motherfucking flesh. Satan, it just means melanin, the shiny one, the beautiful one, the one that grounds the universe, king and queen of darkness. Melanin, and all races have melanin in them, so don't get it fucked up. I am not here with that corny, oh, black folks is so much this, white folks ain't that, or these people, no, I don't care what you are. If you are not humbling yourself to to spirituality and really working on yourself, eating right, sleeping right, thinking right, only having sex with high vibratory people, controlling your thoughts, words, actions, and emotions. If you ain't doing that, fuck you. I don't care what color you're wrapped in. The game is too deep. I'm a black man, I'm God. But more than half of my people need their motherfucking hair cut off. They need their ass kicked. Because they don't even want to be this. And they'll be the first motherfuckers to snitch and rat anybody out if we ever tried to do some old, separatism crazy bullshit. Which it ain't about that. It's all about each person within the human and spiritual family respecting themselves, tapping into the divinity of they self, and then everybody loving and respecting they self, and then come together and do business and show some love and some respect to each other. And then the vibratory rate of the planet elevates. How about that? korleonegiovonni at gmail.com. Email me. You can book a consultation and get all your spiritual questions answered. We can discuss and set up a comfortable payment plan that fits your budget so you can become a student and a registered member of the world's most dangerous spiritual group, the BIOS tribe, Black Illuminati Occult Spirituality Incorporated. Become illuminated mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. Because I teach mine how to get that money and how to shine. Along with spirituality. This is the best thing going.